Hey Fixers, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, real quick, I want to show you how to display an image as Grayscale in Python's Matplotlib library. So this is a very powerful Matplotlib library, and if you want to do some image processing, then you need to understand the basics of Matplotlib. And so what exactly do we want to accomplish? So given this image on the left, or it is on the right, maybe in your screen. No, it is on the left as well. I'm always confused with this stuff. We give this image here in color. You want to convert it into this image, okay, in Grayscale. And first of all, you want to display this image, but then you also want to save it in a separate file. And we are going to look at how you can actually accomplish this using Matplotlib and the Pillow library. So let's dive right into it. Say we have the following project and you have an image. Let's open a random image like this one. And say we want to upload this image here. So let's open the images and just select one. This was the one we have been looked on. Okay, now I've uploaded the image. Here you can see that at the bottom, and I hope it shows me. Okay, now it shows me the image. Let's rename the image so that it can be easier accessed. We rename it to say random image.jpg, and now this image is available in my code. Okay, so let's have a look at the code we are actually going to use. So first of all, we import two libraries we will need for the conversion, which is the Pillow library, or PIL in short, and Matplotlib pyplot as plot. And then we create the image using the PIL library, and we simply call the open function, and we now can specify the name of the image. So in your case, it would be the location or the path of the image you have chosen. And then the conversion is very simple. Now we create a new variable gray image, and we call image.convert, and we pass an uppercase L. So this is by convention, it should be uppercase. L, and this is for Grayscale conversion. Okay, so that's it. This is like the heart of the conversion. And now the image is converted and stored in the gray image variable. And now you can simply call from Matplotlib libraries. So this one here was from the Pillow library, image.convert. But now you can, from the Matplotlib library, call imshow, and we pass the gray image. And now we simply define this CMap variable as gray. This is very simple code. So basically these are the two main lines here, and our color map basically defines the colors used, and we only use Grayscale colors to display it. That's enough. This is already all you need to display the image. So if you run the code, we get an error. Okay, so it doesn't find the file. Maybe I need to put this into the home directory. Let's call this again. No, it still doesn't find it. So where is my code located then? I need to... So maybe I'll try this one first. Home random image. Okay, now it has found the image, and now you see it's Grayscale. Okay, previously it was like this colored image. Here I opened it on my operating system. Now this was the previous, so before and after it is Grayscale. And so you see the imshow function basically displays the image in Grayscale using this nice axis plot available via Matplotlib. By the way, if you want to check out Matplotlib course, then on the Academy we have just launched an in-depth Matplotlib course. So you can check out academy.finxter.com, and there we have a Matplotlib course that is one of the best Matplotlib courses in the web, actually recorded by one of our best students, Freelancer students, Adam. Okay, so enough advertisement. What if you want to actually save this image in a file? Sorry about that. In this case, you can call plot.savefig, figure, and you simply define the file name of the figure where you want to save it. Okay, so that's it. And so if you run the code, now the output is the same for us, but now we have also, like, if you look at into the home directory, then it should have placed nothing works today. Should have placed this image graphic, JPEG somewhere where it actually executes. Maybe, so let's save the figure also in our home directory so that we can see it here, because I don't know where this code actually executes. I haven't checked this before the video. I should have, but I didn't figure it out. Okay, so now if we like open home again, you see graphic is now in the home directory, and yeah, so now you have both images in the home directory, and if you open it, you see this is actually the figure that was just displayed, and it is stored in the home directory. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can show and save figures in a given directory, and after converting them to a grayscale image. Okay, so first we open the image, we convert the image, we show the image, and then we save the image. And you may ask, why does plot save figure or save fig here? Why does it work? Actually, when we only pass the out file name, we don't pass any image, right, to be saved. It works because Python's Matplotlib library is a state machine. It works like a state machine. So this plot object actually stores the previous command in the previous plots, like this imshow plot, and by storing this like in the intermediate, and it actually all the operations are then performed on the previous plots. Kind of it has a state, an internal state, and the internal state is now set to this grayscale image. So now we can save this figure, which was the last figure we plotted or showed to the screen. Okay, so Matplotlib is smart enough to figure that out. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can convert a colored image into a grayscale image. Thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.